Nyotrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. The Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP on the 10th of November 2021 had celebrated its 53rd Foundation Day at the Anton Hall in Shillong. During the function that was attended by the party's president KP PANGNIANG and party workers, the HSPDP felicitated and honored the Hill State leaders and volunteers for their courageous spirit in the fight for attainment of statehood of Meghalaya. Addressing the gathering, KP PANGNIANG said that the fighters for the attainment of Meghalaya statehood were not emotionally driven but had fought bravely to achieve their goal. This fact, he informed, had been concluded after he had read the details of the notification as per the Assam Reorganization Meghalaya Act 1969, which was enacted for establishing autonomous state of Meghalaya within the state of Assam, making special provisions with respect to application of laws in Meghalaya.
Habang asay, yaga kopi, jong Assam Reorganization Meghalaya Act, Assam Reorganization Meghalaya Act 1969. Nawat kami, yaga ni diong formation of autonomous state of Meghalaya. But I hamne ka apne ke na, kung waiting nila parit, but bring ayu bala tho, mo ayu bala notify ka parliament. Yaga ka autonomous state nga shem sisha bahagi ka acts pila ba baro kibor ba kidang ha state of Assam. Baro ki executive powers, administrative power, jong kata autonomous state, kahabang abay yagi rules and regulation, jong ka sorkari dia, ibabun diyan, kabar na jong ka sorkari sa. But kabar ano na to siya ka governor, jong autonomous state today, governor ng Assam. Nasa autonomous state. Then now I came to know, I realized. It makes me to believe nang playing the soft state, come like a state of Pura. That come like on autonomous Reorganization Act 1969. I don't believe it. They say you need people for emotional and right? The shine.